Welcome to Module 2 of the ActivInspire Core Essentials training. In this module, our focus will be on exploring basic tools and flip charts. Throughout this module, you will be asked to actively participate using the Module 2 Student Flip Chart. If you have not done so, open the Module 2 Student Flip Chart file located in the Module 2 folder in Schoology. By the end of this module, you will be able to select the most appropriate version of ActivInspire, which are ActivInspire Studio or ActivInspire Primary. Identify the main sections of a flip chart. You will create a training profile. You will explore tools from the main toolbox and explore and use specialty tools under the Tools tab. Let's start out by looking at the types of programs ActivInspire offers. ActivInspire is two programs in one. You have the ActivInspire Studio version and the ActivInspire Primary version. You are allowed to change between the two programs as often as needed. Are you wondering what's the difference between the two programs? Well, I'm glad you asked. ActivInspire Studio is more suitable for an older, mature audience, and ActivInspire Primary is more suitable for children. ActivInspire Primary is more colorful, has less tools. The tools and shapes are positioned at the bottom of the board, and there are less width options. So, which program do you think would be most appropriate for your students? For training purposes, ActivInspire Studio will be used. Since you can change programs at any time, let's take a look at how that works. You can only change the program through the dashboard. To access the dashboard, click on View on the toolbar, then select Dashboard. The dashboard will appear in a new window. Click on Configure and check the box Launch Next Time using the primary look and feel to change to primary, or leave it unchecked to continue experiencing the studio version. Lessons in ActivInspire are called flip charts. They can contain as many pages as you wish to create. They can also contain sound, videos, animations, interactive activities, and web links. You can also locate materials for your flip chart through the resource library and Promethean Planet. You can also upload your flip charts to Promethean Planet. Using your interactive pen, click and drag the arrows to point out and identify the parts of the flip chart. Let's see how well you identified the parts of the flip chart. The main toolbox is located on the right. The browser windows are located on the left. How many pages are in your flip chart is located in the top right corner. And tabs open for your flip charts are located at the top. So how well did you do? Next, you will create a profile that matches my profile. To edit profiles, go to View on the toolbar and select Customize. Click on Layout and make sure that your icon size, main toolbox, dual toolbox, browsers, menu bar, and document tab settings are identical to mine. Pause if you need to change these settings. Next, click on the Commands tab. As I'm scrolling through the icons under Main Toolbox, check to see which tools you need to add. To add a tool, click on a tool under All Commands, then click Add. Now go to the Settings tab. Select Tools from the list on the left side. From the drop-down menu, change your default tool to Select. Click the Save As icon and name it Part 1, and then click Save. As you discovered in a previous slide, your main toolbox is located to the right. Here is a key that identifies every tool on your main toolbox. In this training, we will not use all of these tools. Anytime you select a tool, the cursor will change accordingly to the tool selected. Now, I want you to click on the main menu icon. It's a shortcut to the normal toolbar setting at the top of your flip chart. Next, I want you to click on the Switch Profile icon. Each profile listed will change the tools that are available in your main toolbox. Next, we're going to click on the Desktop Annotate icon. This icon allows you to write, select, and open items on your desktop. Click on the Desktop Annotate icon again to return back to your flip chart. Now we're going to click on the Desktop Tools icon. You should see a circular icon appear in the center of your desktop. When you hover over it, more tools appear, such as the camera, the on-screen keyboard, screen recorder, Express Pull, Promethean Planet, and there's also an icon that returns you to your flip chart. Please click on that icon to return to your flip chart. Those tools will be discussed in detail in Part 2 of the ActivInspire training. Now I want you to locate and click on the Previous Page icon to view the previous page. And then, of course, next I would like for you to click on the Next Page icon to navigate to the next page.